Tell 'em, I go crazy. Hello world, hello YouTube, and hello you. Welcome back to another video with your girl Denz.
And your boy Tones.
And today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a Gas That Can Food Challenge, also known as the Tin Can Challenge. So, how it works is we choose a number. Each can, as he showed you, is labeled with a number.
Yeah.
So we choose a number and then you're blindfolded. So the other person takes the can, opens it, and feeds it to the person, and they have to swallow the spoonful and guess what it is. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All the time. All the time. Babe.
So, who go first?
You going first.
So, I have to blindfold?
Yeah. Put on your blindfold. Okay. So, I'm going to get the cards. It's like... I chose your number. What you got?
4.
4. I'm looking for can 4. Don't move. Don't move.
No, I really can't see nothing for real.
Okay, good. Okay. Can 4, guys. You can see number 4. I'm gonna open it up.
The untap the bottom. So you get to know what it is before you give it to me. Don't look on, don't cheat and look on the all now. Don't do that.
I did not know this.
Yes. Stop it. That's 4?
I only opened 1. That's the 4th one.
Okay.
Why is your hand open?
Because you can cheat.
Oh, I'm gonna cheat. I want to see you eat this. What you have? Okay. Okay now. So, open your mouth. Just a little bit. Take it a little bit off top.
What's that?
I know. I know plastic. Bye.
It tastes like baby food.
What?
That ain't no baby food. What happened to you?
Okay, so that was really horrible.
In a way, I don't like how you already have the one out the way because I know there are some worse stuff in there that I probably ain't getting.
Blindfold
So
on.
blindfold on. I should probably pray first. Alright.
Okay. Okay. So, what number do you pick?
Let's go with those.
Deuce.
Number those.
Number 2.
Okay.
Oh.
What I thought.
Nothing.
So that O, I don't like that O. I don't like that O. I don't like that O.
Come.
Okay.
Open. Open.
I'm trying to smell this first. That's right.
What is it?
A peach, bro.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You beat to pick second one.
I didn't know what is one through nine later.
Okay.
Seven?
Stop cheating! Why you cheating?
Are you getting seven? The seven? What your problem is?
Open 7.
Okay. I am opening seven.
Oh my god,
Ooh.
man, I ain't like that, man. Look, you put the bag in the fridge.
I'm so glad I did this. Open. Come on now. You can't smell it. You say you can't. You say no smelling.
Fruit cocktail.
Yes. All right. Two was peaches. So I'm gonna pick 2.
Really, nigga?
You already picked 2.
And you already picked 4. So let's keep it even. 6.
6.
Okay.
Okay.
What I pick? 6?
You picked 6, yeah.
Why going? I smell it.
What you smell?
That's noodle soup.
Open your mouth.
Oh no, if I get it, I still gotta eat it?
Now you know that's what you get. That's what you probably think it is. Open your mouth!
Mm. You ain't cooked this.
What that is?
Vegetable soup.
Yay! What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay.
My hand's down. You ain't pick your number yet though.
Let's keep it even 8.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, let's keep it even. Number 8.
Move that nose. Move that nose. This one ain't allowing me to do nothing.
Huh?
Stop moving. You gotta open your mouth. You figure what it is yet? You gotta eat it then if you didn't know what it is.
It tastes like corn, but it don't look like it.
How? You seen it then?
That's how it tastes. It tastes like corn juice.
So if it tastes like corn, does it smell like corn?
No,
Oh.
but that's my guess.
What is it?
Corn.
Okay.
Is it corn?
What the heck? You pick up these things.
I didn't even know that I was picking up. I just picked it up. Okay, what's your number?
I am going with uno. No, change my mind. Change my mind.
Where you going with?
Listen to me. I said it's not everything I mean say you stupid. Boy, you don't do that. No. Let's drop from 10 to 9. For 9.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus.
Number 9.
Number 9. Hold up.
They don't love you like I love you.
Hold up. Why that smell like that bean what I had? Dog
Bean.
food.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
What the hell I ain't?
Open your
Nah,
mouth.
I ain't putting no dog food in my
Ain't no
mouth.
dog food. You really think I can give you dog food?
You did it before?
Come, open your mouth.
Sardine, bro.
No.
Look at this.
Mackerel.
Oh my god, even worse.
I'm so happy you picked that and not me. Yo, we got 4 cans left.
We got 1, 3, 10, and 5.
Okay.
That was nasty.
I can take the one you missed. Let's go with 1.
You ready for this one?
No.
I put the bowl right in front of you just in case you need to spit, which I think you might need to do. But you know when you
Why the spoon in it?
you like to eat everything, so you might eat this. You ready? Open them out. Here comes the choo-choo train. Chew. Damn you. Chew. What is it?
Beans.
And what?
Now I get the file. That's beans. What is it?
Whatever this is.
Beans and hot dog?
Where you even find that though?
In the door store?
Beans and hot dog, bro.
Okay. 3 cans spit from.
I thought I already picked 10.
No. Obviously not.
That's the last even number.
Yeah. Pick 1. 5.
No. But it is what it is as a soldier, you see.
Alright, got you. And now I'm here a lot.
But soldiers don't.
Open your mouth.
Don't eat foolishness, no.
Open your mouth.
Alright. Why are we so confused? You are? That got me confused as hell right now. It was good and then not good and then good. I don't understand.
That was rice pudding.
What?
Cereal.
Rice pudding?
Yeah.
Why it tastes like that? Why it tastes sweet and then not
Because
sweet?
it's a pudding, but then it's rice. I guess.
That had me so confused just now.
Okay. Now 2 more left, right? So we have an even and an odd number.
An even and an odd number.
I was born on an odd day.
Okay.
Of an odd year.
Okay.
So let's go with the odd number.
Odd number. What number that is?
Whatever's odd. Hold on, I'm ready. Hold on.
You ready for me to
Come
put
on, Jeff!
Oh! You got a sound? That sound like something that you don't want around you. Open.
Well, couple. Oh. This chicken noodle soup is not too cold.
Chicken
With the
side.
soda on the side.
Yeah.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.
Last one. Good, number 7, 8.
I can pick number 7. And you got number
You
10.
only got number 10 left. Last
Nope,
one.
I'm picking 7.
Huh?
Let me see one more. Only 2 things in this I really would eat.
Was the peach and the sweet cocktail.
Yeah.
Alright.
What is that?
Open your mouth.
What is that?
Come.
I just splash.
Come. Open.
Where's Junior? You're confusing too. But I ain't good. But I ain't good confusing. I don't know what that is. What is that?
Asparagus.
10 betrayed me.
Huh?
10 betrayed me.
What you thought it was?
I don't even know. I have no idea what I thought it was.
Anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so you know every time that I post another video.
And to continue to laugh at my pain.
And we will see you guys in the next video.
Yeah.
Yado.